legend of Falling Rock. Many, 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 many seasons ago, there was a young Indian boy named Falling Rock. Falling Rock was at the age that a young boy goes out onto a journey to become a brave. Falling Rock's mother was so worried because Falling Rock was so clumsy. She said, "Oh, Falling Rock, Falling Rock, Falling Rock. What are we going to do? Falling Rock, you fall when you go into the teepee, and Falling Rock, you fall when you leave the teepee, and Falling Rock, you fall when you go to the river to get water." But alas, they had to let Falling Rock go on his brave journey.
What happened to my foot?
Falling Rock's mother cried 8 years when he left.
My foot got too awesome.
After 3 days, Falling Rock did not return. Falling Rock's mother was so sad. Falling Rock's mother and daughter went out to look for him because there was no afterward. Falling Rock traveled. He had traveled over many cliffs. Falling Rock had fallen around many trees, and Falling Rock had fallen over cliffs. His parents looked and looked for him. They called out over the cliffs, "Falling Rock!" They called out over the trees in the valleys, "Falling Rock!" They called out up in the mountain tops, "Falling Rock!" They could not find their beloved Indian son, Falling Rock. So as a last resort, they placed watch for Falling Rock signs all across our great nation, and this is why, as you're traveling, you should still continue to watch for Falling Rock.